Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. I am here to show you a little bit of my new journey to organization and to getting it together. So this is just one of those episodes. Today I am combining my channel ideas and I am going to show you how to put in budget-friendly Happy Planner inserts. So this is a way that you can make your own inserts so that you don't have to purchase those separately. They can be pretty expensive from what I saw. Some of the inserts that I saw range from like $15 and up, more or less. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make your own. What you're going to need is a hole punch. So I got this one from the Dollar Tree. You'll need scissors, which you can also get from the Dollar Tree. And you'll also need a calendar from the Happy Planner, or half of it thereof. So we're going to use this as a stencil to mark where the holes are. All right, so let me show you. I kept this. This is just, this came on the outside of the planner. So I kept this for either a routine or something that I'm going to write right on there. Let me show you what I've done so far. I kind of took my mini Happy Planner and I put a little calendar in here. This I'm going to use for work. I do want one other calendar in here. I am trying to combine everything all in one. This will be for appointments, and this calendar here will be for work, for meetings, for documenting when I'm in the office, etc., etc. And I do want one more calendar for YouTube, both to document what videos I plan and what videos I've actually posted. So, and I also need inserts that are just note pages. And I'm also going to try, I had hourly planners that were working really well. So these are the hourly planners. I printed these out. I've shown this several times, but I wanted to put this into my Happy Planner so that I can carry it all together. Right now, this hourly planner is working really good for just work. So I want to put these inserts into here. I'm also going to play around with the idea of these new inserts that I printed out. These were just free inserts. I just put in Google calendar inserts or weekly planner. So I'm going to try to cut this down so that I can put this into my Happy Planner, and I can try it that way to try to cut down how bulky it might be with all of these in there. So if I put every single Monday through Friday into the Happy Planner, it might get too bulky. So I am going to try it this way instead. So let's first get our stencil together. So it looks like just this box here. And I haven't tried it with this one yet, but it looks like this box here will fit perfectly. So I need to cut this out. Let's see if I can line it up. Alrighty. And I want to make sure I don't see any words here, because if I see any words in this hole, that means it'll punch through those letters, and we don't want that. All right, let's see. I'm just going to use a pencil. So I did try this with the other hourly planner and it worked well. So I'm just going to try it with this here. And I like that the outline is almost perfect. Otherwise, what I would do is just line the bottom and top and then the sides so that I know where to cut. But honestly, this looks like it'll be perfect just to cut right on it. So I'm just going to take one of these. I don't need all of these. Actually, I can do one better. So you can use scissors, but since I have this, I got this from Temu, I'm going to use this. Let's see, I'm going to put that line right in the middle. So this isn't the best. But that's okay. Doesn't need to be perfect. This is just something I need to be functional. So, you know, I'm not too worried about how it looks. I just need it to work for my schedule. I'm just kind of making sure this line lines up with the crease. Again, Yay. Again, I'm not focused on whether it's perfect. Lost a little bit of the Monday there, but that's okay. And I do recommend doing this in order. I tried to do it the other way where I did the hole punch first, but clearly if it's not the right size, then you're gonna hole punch outside of the area that you need, which would defeat the purpose because then you have to cut it again. All right, there you go. So that should be the perfect size. And then I'm gonna hole punch right where these dots are. Don't have the steadiest hand. All right. And then you're just gonna cut, because you want to make it look like this here. So you're going to cut it as close as possible, but enough room so that you can take the sheets, you can put the sheets in and they don't fall out. That one didn't work well. And I have been combining binders and planners over and over to try to get this right for me, because it needs to be right for me. All right, so let's see if that works. So clearly it's a lot thinner than the paper would be for Happy Planner, but that works perfectly. That works perfectly. And it hooks right on there. And then you can pull it right out. And I just need this for the week. So what it would do is it would go right in here. I did purchase these before I got the Happy Planner. I did purchase these inserts, but like I said, those can get expensive. So I don't think I'll be doing that again. But there you go. And then I can use this as my hourly for work. There are some other things on this sheet that I liked, as far as like habit tracking and stuff like that. So I do have a habit tracker that I cut out. So this is my September habit tracker that I cut out. And that can go right in here too. And that fits perfectly as well. So I don't have to purchase any extra inserts. You do have to be careful probably with these pages, but they're just like regular paper. They're not cardstock or anything. You could always purchase cardstock if you wanted to and just print on that. But I didn't feel that that was necessary for me. So I'm going to try this week. I did do a video to show you guys me decorating this for this week, but I didn't really like what categories I had in here, so I've changed some things around. I didn't want to show you all my errors this time around, but next week I have a plan to either put these categories here or these categories here, putting work at the top instead of having a separate sheet for work. So I'm going to try it a few different ways and see what works for me. I'm going to put this back in here. So I'll use this for the rest of the week and see how I like using this for work. I also need some sheets that, some sheets for notes. And what I figured out is that this Dollar Tree planner that I showed you guys in my short, these fit perfectly in here. So unfortunately I wrote on some of those because I was going to use this planner too. But see. So if I want to use this as my YouTube calendar, I can insert this as well. Or if I have other events that I don't want to put on the other calendars, I can still fit everything in the same planner. Look at that. I did not think at all that these would fit in there, but they fit perfectly. So I am going to use these Dollar Tree sheets that I got for the Dollar Tree planner. I am going to use these as my brain dump instead of having that as a category. So maybe, I'm not sure where I'm going to put them in here. Maybe I'll put them at the very front. Put them at the very front. That way, if anything comes up in my brain, here, I'm gonna move it down. I don't want it at the very top because it kind of overlaps. So I'll put it at the bottom. I am shocked at how well this fits right in there. It's gonna save me so much money. Because those inserts, they really add up. And I wish I had not wrote in all of these. See, this is why I'm learning not to get ahead of myself when I'm discovering how to plan. I should just do it like 1 week at a time. Go ahead to your Dollar Tree if they have these and do these inserts. If they don't, you can go ahead and purchase one of these and you can make your own inserts. All you need is this and this and a pencil and a stencil. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, or you have enjoyed your day thus far. Thanks for watching. Happy saving. Bye.